Hello and welcome to the best screw guns for 2023 video. With so many options on the market, it can be tough to choose the right screw gun for your project. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top screw guns of 2023 with a focus on power, speed, and durability. So whether you're working on a DIY project or are a professional carpenter, these screw guns are sure to make your job easier and more efficient. We have included links in the description box. Let's get started. At number 1 is DEWALT 8V MAX Cordless Screwdriver Kit. The 8V MAX Cordless Screwdriver has a detachable battery, just like other cordless DEWALT equipment. To make sure the battery would be fully charged for testing, we first charged it overnight. The battery's full charge took slightly over an hour, according to subsequent charging. The 8V MAX Cordless Screwdriver from DEWALT is a fantastic option if you're looking for a cordless screwdriver with lots of features and a great reputation. All of our tests showed it to be flawless, including rapidly and without stuttering driving screws into plasterboard, pine, and even denser birch wood. This cordless screwdriver contains a gyroscopic trigger that, when twisted to the right or left, tightens or drives a screw. When twisted to the left, it loosens the screw, along with a 2-position handle that provides for a choice between a pistol grip and a straight barrel screwdriver. It also contains 2 LED to illuminate a workpiece. It includes a 15-position clutch that we customized to the density of the boards in order to prevent stripping off the screws. It has a range of speeds up to 430 RPM and a range of torque up to 40 inch-pounds. Standard bits fit in the 1x4 inch chuck, and the lithium-ion battery works with other DEWALT 8V cordless tools. At number 2 is BLACK+DECKER 4V MAX Cordless Screwdriver. The BLACK+DECKER 4V MAX Cordless Screwdriver can be the right choice if the objective is to locate a light-duty cordless screwdriver that won't crush screws or a budget. We were amazed by its diverse capabilities and even more so by how reasonably priced it was. This tool swiftly inserted drywall screws despite not producing as much torque as other of our top choices. Although using wood didn't yield the same results, that is not what this instrument is designed to do. With its 3-position grip, you can quickly go from a straight screwdriver to a 45 or right-angle driver. You can switch between driver bits or use the chuck as a 1x4 inch nut driver because it uses 1x4 inch driver bits. It was simple to see in low light because of the screwdriver's very bright LED flashlight. 2 bits and a charger are included with the 4V screwdriver. This model has a built-in battery and a straightforward charging cord that plugs in immediately. Its 4V lithium-ion battery maintained a charge well during the test. At number 3 is SKIL 4V Cordless Screwdriver with Circuit Sensor. We understand the need of being able to test the outlet even when there isn't a tester available because we once mistakenly thought the electricity to an outlet was turned off only to experience unpleasant shocks. By pressing a button on the top of the instrument, the SKIL cordless screwdriver can detect whether the outlet is still hot, which really astonished us. When we tested a hot outlet, the SKIL beeped sharply in warning and a red LED flashes. There was no light or beep when we checked a dead outlet. For individuals who don't frequently bring electrical testers about while working on DIY projects, this built-in safety feature is a blessing. This little cordless screwdriver features a micro USB charger, 10 interchangeable bits, and a dual LED light. The chuck doubles as a 1x4 inch nut driver and accepts any 1x4 inch drive bit. It has forward and reverse, but neither the clutch nor the speed settings are adjustable. It had no trouble putting screws into drywall, but it struggled to put screws into wood planks. Although this cordless screwdriver might be used only for electrical maintenance tasks because it is so useful at sensing circuits. At number 4 is SKIL Rechargeable 4V Cordless Screwdriver. This small, yet powerful, SKIL Rechargeable cordless screwdriver is the ideal size for keeping in a drawer or on a shelf in a closet along with other commonly used household products. It is less than 6 inches long and only 13.6 ounces in weight. This practical SKIL cordless screwdriver has 2 magnetic screw bit holders on either side of the barrel and accommodates 1x4 inch bits. It features a built-in 4V battery that can produce up to 220 RPM and an LED guide light, albeit it isn't as bright as we would have liked. There's a cable for charging the batteries. The SKIL tool was effective for installing screws into drywall, but it struggled with pine and couldn't handle the birch boards. Although the speed is fixed, the tool is useful for both right-handed and left-handed users thanks to the direction reverse switches on either side of the handle and the comfortable non-slip grip. At number 5 is WEN 49103 3.6V Cordless Electric Screwdriver. The WEN cordless screwdriver is only intended to be used to insert and remove screws, although it excels at both of these duties. The WEN screwdriver, which has a built-in 3.6-volt rechargeable battery, isn't intended for use with wood. When we tested it on wood and birch planks, it slowed down. However, it worked well when inserting screws into drywall, and because of its compact size and design, it is a good choice for hanging paintings or putting together prefabricated furniture. Its two powerful LED guide lights make it simple to see in low light. The battery can withstand many tests throughout the day without needing to be recharged, and it comes with a rechargeable wire. The WEN tool lacks variable speed, but it still spins at up to 180 RPM and provides all the features a dyer needs for a rapid, straightforward screw insertion. It has a canvas holster that attaches to a belt and makes carrying it simple. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. Click on the links in the description to find out more about the products.